CSC Strong's ATV rear footrest. The safest choice for your passengers, keeping their legs away from the riders. New design at a fraction of the price. Made with ballistic nylon material, same thing bulletproof vests are made from. Plastic inserted base for stability. Added straps to now use with composite racks. Even has a water drain. No tools needed to install like other models. Adjusts to all leg lengths easily and installs with buckles through the rear rack. It will not obstruct or trap your leg in a potential rollover. Folds away securely when not in use. CSCstrong.com or 1-800-557-9028. Buy now.